Did I put my seatbelt on? Yeah, there's no seatbelt on the motorcycle, my man. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. As you may be able to see, we have two different views now, which means two different cameras recordings. Right, finally, green light. Alright, so I finally got a GoPro 7 Black. If you actually watch my first vlog video, you should remember my struggle with the GoPro 7 White. And here's the story. I didn't know that it didn't support external microphone. So I got my GoPro adapter and was trying to get it to record from an external mic, and it was not. And I was banging my head against the wall thinking that what could I be doing wrong? And it wasn't until I decided to get like an audio recorder with a separate mic and start recording like that. And actually a subscriber mentioned that nah, it doesn't actually record from external mic. So I went and did some more research and found that out. Yes, it does not. The white and the silver, since they're like budget cameras and everything, GoPro decided to leave that feature out, but never mention it anywhere. I found that on the forum actually. So because I did do some research on it, and before I purchased it, there was nowhere that it mentioned, hey, you can't record from external mic with this camera. Anyways, fast forward to now, we got a 7 Black, and I have semi-tested the setup before going out and doing this recording right now. I guess we will find out if that worked or not. When I did test it, I did record sound fine, but of course I was in my living room, so there's a possibility that it was just the internal mic in the GoPro itself that was recording and not the external mic, but we will find out for sure. Alright, back to the story. I'm kind of excited for that GoPro 7. Now, I haven't done much recording with it. I basically just got it, did some play around on it, checked the settings out and everything, and realized, yeah, it does have way more features than the 7 White, which is expected. It's just that I didn't know of that before I bought the 7 White. Had I known what you were getting, or should I say what I was getting with the 7 White, I would have just, you know, bought the Black and be done with it. Because how much money did I really save by buying the White? I don't know. I don't remember exactly how much I paid for it. Ooh, I'm gonna go in here, take some pictures of flowers. Ooh. It's a little cold, which means the flowers are not fully bloomed. You know how when the temperature drops, the flowers kind of like, hey, it's cold. I think I might just take some pictures of the tulips over there. I think I can park here, right? Yay. Alright guys, so I got some tulips pictures, just a few. Oh man, look at that. I left my, I don't know if you guys can see it there, I left my lights on. Well, luckily I was only gone for not even a minute, and which means lights on also means the bike is on. Somebody could have just hop on, free bike. Yeah, so let's get back on the bike and head out. All right, back to the GoPro story. I actually was just about to purchase one on Amazon, brand new, and then I was like, well, let's check Facebook Marketplace and see what I can find used and save some money, save a little bit of money. Surprisingly, I actually found this one posted for, how much was it? I don't remember. I think it was 200 bucks, and it was brand new in the box, sealed. It hasn't even been opened yet. So I messaged the guy and he was like, oh yeah, cool, fine. So then we met up, and obviously I'm sure you guys have purchased things from Facebook or Craigslist, so you know how it goes. You met up with the cash, you check it out, and when I checked it out, I was really hesitant on getting something used because you don't know exactly what you're getting when you get it used. You just have to, you know, I guess wing it. If it works, it works. If not, you know, I guess your loss, their gain. But this guy, when he said he was still sealed in the box and hasn't even been opened yet, I was like, oh great, then that is a brand new GoPro, so I have nothing to worry about. I can go ahead and purchase it. So yeah, I got it, and I set up everything, and I've been wanting to go out and record this as sort of like a test to see how the setup is working. But here in Ohio, I'm sure you guys all know how the Ohio weather could be. The few days leading to the day that I got the camera, the weather was chilling in the 70s. As soon as I get the camera, it drops down to the 50s. Don't get me wrong, the temperature being in the 50s does not stop me from riding. It's just that I was kind of busy with a few other things going on, and the fact that it was kind of chilly out didn't really motivate me that much to jump on the bike. So that's why I actually haven't been on the bike in probably 4 days or so, 4 to 5 days or so, something like that. All right, I think I'm gonna go left here. What is happening here? Alright guys, I think this is going to be it for today. Was going to be a short one, just super excited about getting the GoPro, of course, as I mentioned. So I had to test it out, and of course, you know, share the experience with you, how it goes. I can't wait to get back home and really just throw those SD cards on my computer and really see what I got for both audio and video. I'm excited. I'm sure everything will be fine, so can't wait. As always, if you're riding, ride safe. I will see you in the next one.